Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a peanut butter shake for weight gain. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You will need approximately 2 tablespoons of creamy or crunchy peanut butter, 1 cup of your preferred milk, and 1 medium-sized ripe banana. These foundational components provide a good balance of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, creating a calorie-dense base perfect for supporting your weight gain goals. To further enhance the caloric and nutritional value of your shake, consider adding a few key ingredients. 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder, such as whey or casein, will boost the protein content. For additional fiber and healthy carbohydrates, include about 1/4 cup of rolled oats or ground flax seeds. Opting for full-fat milk or even a small splash of heavy cream can also significantly increase the overall calorie count, making your shake even more effective. Personalizing your shake's flavor and texture can make it more enjoyable to consume regularly. For a delicious chocolate twist, try adding 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. If you prefer a sweeter shake, a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup can provide natural sweetness without artificial additives. For a colder, thicker consistency, simply toss in a few ice cubes before blending, creating a more satisfying beverage. Now for the final steps. Combine all your chosen ingredients into a high-speed blender. Blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, ensuring no lumps remain. For optimal weight gain, aim to consume 1 to 2 servings of this shake daily, perhaps as a snack between meals or immediately after a workout. Remember, consistency is key. Regular intake will help you achieve your weight gain objectives effectively and healthily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.